What is the scientific basis for carbon dioxide to bring about global warming? Carbon dioxide exists in the atmosphere in a gaseous state, and it absorbs some of the energy coming into the Earth from the Sun to maintain global temperature. However, as the concentration of carbon dioxide increases due to human activities, this process is vertically integrated, global temperatures are rising, and global warming is occurring. Global warming and carbon dioxide concentrations are closely related. Over the past 800,000 years, carbon dioxide concentrations and global temperature changes have been closely correlated. The higher the carbon dioxide concentration, the higher the global temperature, and vice versa. These relationships have become clearer as human activity increases. At present, atmospheric CO2 levels are well above their highest levels in the past 800,000 years, and it has been scientifically proven that this increase in CO2 levels is strongly correlated with global temperature increases. For this reason, the scientific evidence that carbon dioxide brings about global warming is very strong. How many degrees does the Earth's temperature rise if carbon dioxide increases by 1% in the atmosphere? If the concentration of carbon dioxide increases by 1% in the atmosphere, it is difficult to accurately predict the resulting increase in global temperature. The reason is that the effects of carbon dioxide on global temperatures are very complex, and the effects change as various factors on the Earth interact. However, the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, IPCC, predicts global average temperature increases in the event of a future increase in carbon dioxide concentrations. In addition, the rate at which carbon dioxide concentrations increase and other climate change factors, e.g., solar radiation, wind, water vapor, etc., should also be considered. Therefore, it is difficult to predict the exact correlation between carbon dioxide concentration and global temperature, but it is scientifically proven that carbon dioxide affects global warming. Isn't global warming increasing CO2? Global warming is one of the reasons for the increase in carbon dioxide concentration. Global warming is a phenomenon in which greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide released by humans accumulate in the atmosphere, causing the Earth to rise in temperature. When the concentration of carbon dioxide in the Earth's upper atmosphere increases due to human activity, e.g., industry, transportation, etc., carbon dioxide releases heat by rubbing against other gases present in the Earth's atmosphere. This increases the concentration of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, resulting in a vicious cycle of rising global temperatures. Global warming also changes the Earth's climate, causing drastic changes in climate change and extreme weather events, e.g., typhoons, floods, droughts, heavy snow, etc. These climate changes and extreme weather phenomena have a great impact on human life and economy, and have a huge impact on the global environment. Therefore, global warming and carbon dioxide concentration are known to be strongly related to each other. Dry ice is a solid state of carbon dioxide, CO2, which vaporizes as it turns into a gas when the pressure is lowered. Because the vapor pressure of carbon dioxide depends on the temperature, the vaporization point of dry ice depends on the temperature. In general, the vaporization point of dry ice is approximately -78.5 degrees Celsius, -109.3 degrees Fahrenheit. However, the vaporization point may vary depending on the purity and pressure of carbon dioxide, so it may vary depending on the situation. Carbon dioxide extinguishing agents are chemicals used to digest carbon dioxide, CO2, gases. In general, these digestive drugs cause chemical reactions with water to decompose carbon dioxide gas and reduce the concentration of carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide extinguishing agents do not cool the surrounding temperature. However, carbon dioxide extinguishing agents absorb heat during the decomposition of carbon dioxide gases during digestion, which can temporarily lower ambient temperatures. But this is a temporary phenomenon, and the main effect that is actually used to extinguish a fire is to extinguish the carbon dioxide gas and cut off the oxygen supply to extinguish the fire. Then, if the Earth has more oxygen concentration than now, does the Earth's temperature decrease? Increasing or decreasing Earth's oxygen concentration is not directly related to Earth's temperature. Oxygen is one of the Earth's atmospheric components, and even if the concentration of oxygen in the atmosphere increases or decreases, it does not directly affect the Earth's temperature. The Earth's temperature is determined by a combination of factors such as the concentration of greenhouse gases and the temperature of the ocean. As the concentration of greenhouse gases in the Earth's atmosphere increases, the heat in the Earth's atmosphere is absorbed effectively, increasing the heat in the atmosphere. Therefore, as the concentration of greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide increases, the Earth's temperature rises. Therefore, lowering the Earth's temperature requires measures such as reducing the concentration of greenhouse gases. To do this, it is important to reduce greenhouse gas emissions through human activities. According to the global warming conspiracy theory, the increase in carbon dioxide is not caused by the warming of the Earth, but rather by the increase in carbon dioxide, and global warming is related to sunspot activity, and there is nothing in the warm Middle Ages. Scientifically untested global warming conspiracy theories are being refuted by many experts. Most studies show that global warming is related to human activity, carbon dioxide emissions, methane emissions, etc., and that these greenhouse gas emissions play a major role in increasing the greenhouse effect in the Earth's atmosphere and raising global temperatures. The link between sunspot activity and global warming has not been verified in several studies. In the Middle Ages, human industries and technologies did not develop as they are today, so the cause of global warming may be different from human greenhouse gas emissions. But now, it is scientifically proven that human-induced greenhouse gas emissions are one of the surest causes of warming, and that reducing these emissions is important. Thus, scientifically unproven conspiracy theories are unreliable, and it remains valid that coping with the global warming problem caused by human greenhouse gas emissions is important.